Hey, greetings everybody. Just a quick note on how to set up your printers using the Dremel slicer, the Digilab slicer. I noticed some of you guys are having some issues. So we are looking right now at the 3D45. As you can tell, it's got the side tabs. It should be in the front where it pulls down, where you can pull the bed off of the plate and remove your object if you need to. Okay, a couple things. First thing you want to do is make sure in the printer setup, that you got the 3D45 chosen. Switch in your print setup to custom, don't use recommended. Okay, a couple things that you want to change. Make sure you're using medium quality for your profile. That changes the layer height to 2.0 or 0.2 instead of 0.1. If you use a 0.1, it's a thinner layer height, which means it's going to take more time to print. You don't want that. Okay, so leave it at 0.2. Your print temperature. You want to set your print temperature anywhere between 190 to 210. Each of our machines are going to run a little bit differently. You can run test prints just to kind of get an idea. I've set mine at 200. That seems to be a good temp. And my print bed, the bed plate temperature at 50. Again, anywhere between 45 to 60 is a good number for that. But this is for just using the PLA material. Okay? If you're changing to something else, it's going to be a different temp. So the last thing that you're going to do is make sure that you're generating support, your overhang angle is there, and you're set there. Last thing that you do want to do as well is your infill density. Set that to about 25%, 20 to 25%. That means that inside your print, if I'm printing something like this, which I did, the infill density is at 25%. So that when I knock on the inside, it's not completely full. That would quadruple the amount of time it would take to print, and this thing would be super heavy because it's entirely solid round block. Okay? So make sure that you're set at 25 to 30% when you do your infill density. And you can use that for both of them. All right, if you go down to the 3D40 and you switch over there, the only thing that you got to worry about, I changed my print bed temperature for the 40 to 195 temperature. Bed temp is at 50 also. Okay, keep everything else like you had, your infill, your generating support, your overhang at about 50 degrees, and you should be good to go. If you have any questions, hit up one of us. We can help you out.